Hi everyone, today we're going to be making a screen in the turtle module of Python. Now I very much recommend you to use the turtle module if you're a beginner to Python and even later on because it makes very simple games, though it may not produce games as cool as Pygame, but you can certainly make many things. So let's look at what we're going to be making today. So we're going to be making a screen with a background, color, and a picture. Okay, so let's do this. So first we import turtle because it is to call it and make it work because it needs to be called. Then we can start setting up the screen. Okay, so first you do WN. Oh, that is like, for example, if you need to, your window, that variable basically will represent your window. So you can do screen, or you can do like mine, WN, anything you want, something that you know you can remember from just looking at it. So I'm gonna do, I did WN, as you can see. So you do WN equals turtle dot screen, and then parentheses, and then you do WN dot title. Give a title to your whatever you're making. So I'm just gonna make a screen, and right now it's everything white. Just a second, let me save this. Save Python, yes. Now I'm gonna hit F5, which runs it on my computer. And you can see it's all white. Oh, sorry, I forgot about it. So to make the screen stay, because after this code ends, the program's complete. It finishes. So at the end of the program, you do WN. For me, it's WN because I chose that to represent my window. So write whatever represents your window. For me, it's WN dot main loop and parentheses. Now, if you check it out, the whole window will stay and it will not disappear. So after this, we want to give our screen a color. So you do BG pick. Sorry, not bit pick, that's color. And then any color you want. I'll do blue. Alright, this is still running. My launcher. Okay, and then if you run it, just checking if it works, it's blue now. So now we can set up what size you want. If you're making a game which has a specific size, you can do WN, whatever you want, the thing that you've chosen to represent your screen, WN dot setup, parentheses, width first, width equal anything you want. I'll do 400 by height, which can be anything too. I'll do 500, I guess. And now, just a second, let me just copy this. And please note what the difference is after I set it as this, okay? F5, let's run it. Right now, it's about this size. After I put this in, please see the change. You can obviously, oh my gosh, this is very small. But yes, you can obviously see what the difference is. So that's until now. You've made the screen, you have a color, and you've changed the width and height. You have a title as and it stays because of the wn.main loop. Now, if you want to set a specific picture for your background, you do wn.bgpic. This time it's pic. And then you put whatever picture you've chosen. It has to be a GIF. So you put this and then GIF. It has to be a GIF. Now, if you see, you can see the difference. Oh, sorry. My screen's too small to show it all, but yes, according to your screen, you can see what the size is. It shows the picture that you've chosen. I've chosen the hello picture to see it more properly. Yep, so you see this. So now you have a picture, the same thing basically. Okay, you have a background. You have a picture, you have a color for your background, you have the title, and I haven't tried this yet, but I think if you remove the BG color, it will only, yes, if you remove the BG color, it will be replaced by only the picture. If that's what you want, then go ahead and do that. But I am just testing, so I can have Command Z, and I have my this. So that's all for today's lesson. Oh, and if you're a beginner and you want to use Python, if you are using the turtle module, I'll put this link below. There's a turtle documentation which you can use to, for example, it shows everything, all the methods available for for this module, everything you want, and then you can search up what you want. So like setup that sets up a screen, a turtle.setup. It shows everything you can think of. So I'll put this link in the description. And that's it for today's lesson. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to subscribe my channel. Until then, goodbye.